Everyday Statistics with Cody and Jake.
Hi, I'm Dr. Houchins.
Hello, I'm Cody Foster.
We're here today to talk to you about causation.
Now, when we study the relationship between two variables, we often hope to show that changes in the explanatory variable cause changes in the response variable. But a strong association between two variables is not enough to draw conclusions about cause and effect.
There are two questions we need to think about when establishing causation. One, what ties between two variables and others lurking in the background can explain an observed association? And two, what constitutes good evidence for causation?
To begin, let's take a look at the three types of causation.
First, we have causation, the simplest of the three. In causation, an explanatory variable x directly causes a change in the response variable y.
Take this for example.
Can you identify the response variable in this instance?
The answer is the attack. You see, because Jake tugged on the cat's tail, the cat was inclined to attack Jake. So, the explanatory variable x, or pulling on the cat's tail, directly caused the cat to attack him. This is causation.
The next type of causation we are going to discuss today is common response.
Common response is when the observed association between the variable x and y is explained by another variable z. This variable is named the lurking variable.
An example of this would be, a study found there is a high correlation between the number of schools and the number of gentlemen's clubs in a region. But, although there is an association, we cannot accurately attribute this cause of these clubs to schools. Obviously, there must be a lurking variable. In this case, a lurking variable could be the population.
Another example would be this. In this example, you notice there are a lot of germs on the door handle. Also, there are a lot of medicine in the cabinet. Did I forget to mention? Jake is also sick.
Can you identify the lurking variable in this instance?
The answer is sickness. In this example, we found a high correlation between the variable x, or the number of germs on the handle, and the variable y, or the amount of medicine in the medicine cabinet. But this is not a direct correlation. The lurking variable z, or sickness, can be attributed as the cause of both germs and amount of medicine. This is common response.
The next type of causation we are going to discuss today is confounding.
Two variables are confounded when their effects on a response variable cannot be distinguished from each other. The confounded variables may be either explanatory variables or lurking variables.
For example, we find a high correlation between McDonald's and obesity. This cannot be the only cause though. A lurking variable in this situation could be orders with extra sauce.
Another example would be this.
What's up, girl?
Hi.
You opened the door for me?
Yeah.
That's gross.
Aren't you going to give me a hug?
What did you do to your hair?
You look really pretty today.
Why are you talking to me?
Is it that time of the month?
Oh, jerk. I got fired today. In this example, LaQuisha seems to be upset with Jake because of girl-related issues. But we soon find out that there's another lurking variable that could be the cause of this behavior. So, the association between postmenstrual stress and LaQuisha's attitude cannot be accurately assumed.
Today we have learned about causation, a very important concept in the field of statistics.
Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on
Everyday Statistics!
Everyday Statistics with Cody and Jake.
give me a kiss to build a dream on, and my imagination will thrive upon that kiss. Sweetheart.